So guys, we got new wheels on the car. As you can see, they're looking good. In the side we have a steely on because the tire on the other rim is flat. Here's the other rim, guys, as you can see. Yeah, we fitted the rims on last night. So yeah. So as you can see, there's no starter because the mounting on the starter snapped. So I'm just waiting for a new starter and put it in. So yeah, that's basically it. We still need to figure out what's the problem on this car. The engine turns, but the car just won't start. But everything else works on the car. The dash lights, the headlights, the tails, and everything. So we have to figure out what's the problem on this car. Is the heart of a woman? Yeah.